Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistachio Graphic channel. For today I have this project, laundry basket. I also designed the drawings that we need for this project. You can download with my ebook. And remember to subscribe here to the channel. Leave me a like button for this project that helps me to create more projects for you. Let's start, create a new design. Start to create this front plane. Create here an ellipse. Here. Apply here the measurements. This is 200 by 300 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Apply an extrude. In this case is minus 175 millimeters and a taper of minus 10 degrees. Create another sketch on the front plane. Apply an arc with 3 points here and here. We need to project that line, P for project, click OK. Constrain these 2 points here and here. Create a point here on the arc and apply a distance of 15 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Create another plane. Here we can project that. To create that point, create a new arc. Another one. This arc needs to be constrained to that point. Create here some lines. Here. These lines are collinear, and that. This radius is 310 millimeters. Now we need to create this intersect. Create that lines and apply these points here and here. Finish the sketch. Clicking on Sweep tool and take that profile on this path and remove the material. Now we can apply some fillets. This is 20 millimeters here on the base. Now we can apply a shell to remove 1 millimeter the inside. This measurement is here on the second drawing. Now we can create the handle, another sketch here on the middle of the project. Create a slot with the center point here, here, and here. This distance is 100 millimeters. The radius is 205 and 5. Create lines as construction and apply an angle of 25. And here divide by 2. Okay, here. and this radius is 40 millimeters. Finish the sketch, select extrude, select the profile, and apply a symmetry of all. Remove all the material. Now we can create here on the front plane another slot. In that case is center to center. Here, here, and here. This measurement is 6 millimeters, and that distance is 100. $30 millimeters, and the distance to the center is 20 millimeters, and apply an angle of 45. Finish the sketch, remove all the material, and click OK. Now here on the drawing, we need to repeat that operation. Click here on the rectangular pattern, circular, feature, and select the extrude. Here on the center X, change 20, and click OK. Let's apply some chamfers. Another one here and here. In that case is 0.5, and click OK. Now we can create here some pipes. Select the pipe tool, select this line. In this section is 5 millimeters. Change to joint. Finish that pipe operation. Apply here on the handles the same pipe. This case is 4 millimeters. Click OK. External line here, 4. And now we need to apply in every slot cut. Repeat the operation, but in this case is 3 millimeters section, and click OK. To repeat this operation several times, only click the right button to the upper side and repeat the operation, and click OK. And we need to repeat in every slot cut. And after that, we can apply some fillets here, inside and that side here, on the other side, and apply another fillet here on the slot cuts. That one is 1 millimeter. And now we have our laundry basket. Now the project is done. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Think about to subscribe here to the channel. Give me a like button if you like this project and see you in the next video.